with me where we talk about hormone replacement therapy. If you're a man, I ask that you politely and kindly exit the chat. Now that all the men has left the chat, hey ladies, how y'all doing? First off, I am 38 years old. I started hormone therapy back in August. First off, what is HRT? Hormone therapy replacement is exactly what it says. It replaces your hormones. As women, when we get older, our hormones tend to go away due to menopause or other things. Like for me, I got off birth control and I've aged. I am on progesterone, iron, thyroid, and I get the testosterone pellet in my hip. I believe this has aided in my weight loss. I go to Dawn Hinton, who is here in my town. Originally, I went to her for weight loss. She did a full blood work on me and did a full panel of all of my blood levels and everything. She went over it, told me where I was and where she was gonna get me to. And my question to her that day was, can you fix me? The iron helps me because I have low iron. The progesterone helps me sleep and my mood swings and amongst other things. The thyroid, I believe, helps with aided in my weight loss. And the biggest thing is my testosterone pellet. I will insert a clip here of me getting it. It does not hurt. It took a total of 3 minutes to insert it. She numbs it with lidocaine and then she inserts the pellet and it's there for 3 to 4 months. Depends on how long it lasts in your body. I feel like my mood swings have gotten better. My sex drive is through the roof. I'm married. This is for man or woman for the testosterone. And I sleep better with the testosterone. Also, I have a buttload of energy. This past weekend, I was super tired, but I know it was because I needed a new pellet. If you plan to have kids, I don't believe that you qualify for the pellet. I went with my OBGYN in December and asked him about his thoughts on it. And he thought that it was a great idea because my tubes were removed so I couldn't get pregnant. The pellet is self-time released. Our bodies change over time. I feel like this just kind of helps me get my groove back. I don't have mood swings anymore. I don't have night sweats anymore. I'm not as tired as I used to be. Biggest part is I sleep all night. Now, the downfall of this. It costs $350. Insurance does not cover the pellet. My doctor is booked until maybe June or July. But there are others in the area that does it. Look online. I'm concerned about long-term effects of this. I'm concerned about the food I put in my body as well. But that don't stop me from eating it. Overall, I feel like my whole quality of life has improved. I'm better for my husband, I'm better for my children, most of all, I'm better for me. I hope this answered all of your questions. If you have more questions, leave a comment down below. Most of all, thanks for watching.